Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and in this video, I want to cover Ocugen, and I want to cover a video that I made a couple weeks back talking about buying this one because a big breakout was coming. So that video was uploaded here on October 11th. I said Ocugen is going to have a big breakout, and so this right here is just a little bit in that video where you can see the price action right here breaking above all of its SMAs, and this is kind of where I let everybody know where Ocugen was about to go. It broke this symmetrical triangle to the upside. It looked absolutely stunning, and I'm also going to show you guys a few examples of the direct messages that I sent Patreon members about this play, just to show you guys that I value individuals who value me. And so instead of just posting a tweet or posting something in general, I felt the need to direct message these individuals because these guys are supporting me. They're patrons of my Patreon, and together we make money. And so these right here, shout out to these individuals who did buy, who are in it. And so if you're also interested in getting direct messages, any sort of pickups on stocks, as well as chart dissections for whatever you want, come over to my Patreon, give that a look. That will be in the link. But back to why we were here. Ocugen right now up 12% after markets, going nice. This is a great play. And so a lot of things I want to talk about on this play. The first thing is we're watching the Fibonacci retracement. We have a very nice U building up right here. We could see the price action come back down, but what we want to see with Ocugen is a break of this top level. If we get a break and a back test, this is going to be a nice play for a further run. However, this line is going to be very crucial. If we get rejected, that may be a place where people are taking profits, and this could be the top of this run. And so if you start to see resistance at this level at around $18.80, then people will be taking the profits at that point. Be prepared for people to take their profits at this point, because from the bottoms here that we were calling at around $7-8, you're already more than double your money. So at this point, people will definitely be taking profits, so just make sure of this line. Right now, we are looking at a very elevated RSI on the daily. Today, we actually tested a low of $11.85. So this came all the way down. We went all the way up, and then we came all the way down, and then we closed all the way back up. And so what I see right here is a slight W with a lower bottom and then a higher bottom, and this looks absolutely juicy on the shorter time frame, letting me know that we could see some very nice runs in the next couple days. And so be very prepared for these type of movements. You could see on our 30-minute time frame, we are curling back up on our MACD. And so if I bring it back to our daily, right now, you can see the alignment of these lines are beautiful. This is exactly what you want to see in a stock that looks like it's going to have a sustained run. But don't be surprised to see price action come back down to these levels, because at one point, these lines will have to be tested. When I say these lines, I am talking about our 20-day, our 50-day, our 200, and our 100-day SMA. So do be prepared for that. But this was extremely bullish. That intraday, we got all the way this low, but we closed this high. So that was an extremely bullish signal for the bulls on Ocugen. And so I personally do think this is going to have a nice play in the next couple days. And I also want to bring us back out to our weekly just to show how this has been playing in the longer term. So if we're looking at our RSI right now, we are overbought, but with a 76, and if I look at our MACD, we got a very nice crossover here, and it looks like where we are on Ocugen is what we expected it to be. We are starting a new uptrend. Look where our orange line was over here. Look where we are now. This is the bottom of our next run, and so this is kind of what that is letting me know, which is why I do have a price target of around $24. With that price target, this is just my assumption, my guess based on my research. Y'all can have higher price targets, y'all can have lower ones. At the end of the day, none of us know where this one's really gonna go. What I can tell you is, though, take your profits when you hit your targets, because the worst thing is seeing your stock go up and not capitalizing on that run. And so that is the biggest advice I can give you. So I'm not telling you when to sell, I'm not telling you when to buy in this case. I'm just letting you know to take your profits where you can, because some plays don't stay elevated for too long, and you want to be able to capitalize while you still can. And so this was a quick update on Ocugen. Great play today, had serious strength in price action to close out the day. Very exciting play. So if you guys got into this one, congratulations. Remember to take your profits. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.